A mass n supported by a massless string wound around a uniform hollow cylinder of mass n and radius r. If the string does not slip on the cylinder, with what acceleration will the mass fall on release? Your options are 2g by 3, g by 2, 5g by 6 and g. Come to the solution of this question. This question is a very simple case in rotational dynamics, and result can be obtained by drawing FBD of pulley and FBD of this block. First, we will draw the FBD of block. FBD is like this. Forces acting on blocks are weight as well as tension. By applying sigma F equal to ma, the equation that we will get is after drawing FBD of block, we will draw FBD of pulley. Forces acting on pulley. These are your weight, then tension by string, and this force F which is exerted by clamp. We will apply sigma torque equal to I alpha about the center of the pulley. And since mg and F are passing through center, they will not contribute to the torque. The only torque that we will have, it is from the tension T, and its torque is TR equals to I alpha. Now, the string is not slipping on the pulley. So, alpha and A will be related, and they will be related by the equation alpha equals to A by R. As far as this pulley is concerned, we will consider it to be equivalent to a simple ring. So, its moment of inertia will be mr square. Putting the value of I and alpha, this equation will be from 1 and 2, we will have this gives A equals to G by 2, and hence option 2 is the correct answer. On solving this equation, we get A equals to G by 2. And this is the required answer which is there in option 2. So option 2 is the correct answer of this question. That's all.